What is going on? Strawberry coffee coming to you from Clovis, California. Okay, something to know about me in case you don't know me. I'm a family man. I'm married to the brightest soul I know. We also have 2 kids and a mini schnauzer named Goonie. Hey, you go! Now, one of the things I love about parenting is bringing your kids into your passions. Our kids have been drinking coffee since they were infants. Now, don't worry, they don't drink a lot, maybe a spoonful here or there, a half a shot glass here and there. But here's the point that I want to make. When you brew coffee correctly, kids enjoy it. So my take on it is if your coffee needs cream and sugar, your coffee probably sucks. Sorry. All right, so today my daughter Aria is gonna be brewing with me. And actually, before I bring her in, I wanna show you a couple videos of her experiences with coffee when she was a little bit younger. So this one was when she was 18 months old.
What did you want? What did you want?
Coffee.
You want coffee? You want coffee?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, baby, it's all gone.
Okay, and then this one was when she was 3.
So yummy. So yummy, Daddy. So yummy. Hi, Daddy.
That's what I'm talking about. This is what people should be saying about coffee, drinking it black. All right. Enough talk about Aria. Let's bring Aria in. All right, my baby girl. How are you doing today?
Good. I'm having fun.
You having fun?
Mm-hmm.
Already? We haven't even started.
Yep.
So there's gonna be a bunch of people watching right now. All over. They'll be on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube, and all over the world. Maybe people in Brazil and Russia, maybe even on Mars. What?
There's no people on Mars.
So,
But aliens. But we don't know if aliens are real.
that's true. Yeah, that's a good point.
Scientists only know.
They do. Okay. Well, why don't you tell our friends a little bit about yourself?
My favorite color is blue. I'm 5. I'm a whole hand.
A whole hand. So, what do you think about Daddy's coffee?
I love it. It's the best coffee ever. Probably the best coffee. And Daddy's the best daddy ever.
How excited are you to be shooting a video with Daddy today?
So excited. I said I was gonna be a star.
A coffee star? A barista?
A barista.
Yes! Secret Family Handshake? What's it called?
Kit Kat twirl.
Kit Kat Twirl.
Let's go.
You guys want to see it?
Yep.
Kit Kat Twirl!
So you liked our Kit Kat twirl?
If they didn't like our Kit Kat Twirl, they can go watch another YouTube video.
And if you want to make up your own family handshake, you can.
Yeah.
Just use your mind.
All right, Aria, so what are we brewing today?
We're gonna make a brew on the American press.
That's right.
Here's the American press.
This is the American press. So this is similar to the French press. You got this capsule area where the grounds sit. The difference, however, is this little pod space in here. So this part screws off. All the grounds sit in here. So you got this metal filter.
Whoa.
So the grounds go in here, then you screw it on like that. Then we'll put the hot water in here, plunge this sucker down. Coffee beans we're working with right now, do you remember what these are?
April.
Yeah.
April roast.
And do you remember where they're from?
Ethiopia.
The beans are from Ethiopia. Do you remember where April Roasters is?
Copenhagen.
Copenhagen.
You see our signed strawberry coffee over there?
Yep. So we're currently using a coffee subscription, Dayglow, based out of, I think, Hollywood, LA. Nice. Sent us these, April Roasters.
I can do this.
Yeah.
Like peacock eyes. Maybe peacock eyes.
These beans are from, where are they from?
Ethiopia.
Ethiopia. Do you remember the region? Gucci.
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 Okay, now let's smell these.
Ooh, those are really fruity.
Oh my goodness, I am so excited to try this. Keeping it in an airtight container. All right, so for this brew, our water's gonna be at what temperature?
210 degrees Fahrenheit.
That's right, 210 degrees
This
Fahrenheit.
looks like a hockey stick.
That does look like a hockey stick.
We're gonna use 23 grams of coffee.
23 grams of coffee.
23.
23! We're using the Baratza Vario grinder.
We're gonna use a medium grind.
Medium grind on this one.
I'm pretty smart and I can prove it.
You know any really long words?
Pneumona ultramicroscopic silica volcanoconiosis.
All right, so what you do is you take the little pod,
Yes,
set it on your scale,
yes. Coffee beans inside?
and I like to use the At.press funnel.
Yes.
Stick it right on top.
Yes.
Coffee grounds.
And put in there.
Sits in there just like that. Then we're gonna take the top on,
Okay.
screw it onto the capsule.
Screw it on it.
Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pour to 345 grams of water, and then we'll set this on top.
Better back up with it if you have a kid
That's true. Why?
because it's hot.
Kettles are hot.
Uh-oh, it's making steam, it's making steam.
And we got our scale here, which is gonna be our timer. We're gonna put this thing on top. So you put the plunger on, start the timer, push it down halfway, give it a little swirl, and then at 2 minutes, I push it all the way down. And then we pour it out at 4:15. Push. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
I see coffee.
All right, so this is halfway. Gonna give it a little swirl, and then we're gonna let it sit for 2 minutes. All right, so we got the coffee water mixture. Synthesis.
Synthesis.
All right, we're at 2 minutes. So you wanna help me?
Yep. I see it moving. I didn't know it was this hard.
I'll give it a swirl.
Oh, that's coffee. I'll take my glass.
So she's got a little shot glass. You wanna show that off? She likes to drink in this thing. I've got a glass by Dragon Glassware. This is one of my favorite glasses. I like the cut. Get your nose inside. Smell the coffee. Smell the coffee when you drink the coffee. We're coming up on 4:15 right now. We're gonna pour this out. Look at that. That is beautiful.
It's like a tradition
It's like a tradition? How so?
because we do coffee every day.
Because we do coffee every day.
That, my friends, is the American press. Ooh, it's hot.
We gave it a few minutes to cool because right out it was pretty hot. Like I said, we're using a metal filter with the American press. So we got a lot of coffee oils here. All right, so let's take a smell first.
The aromatics are pleasant. Let's just drink our coffee and see what we taste.
Okay, what do we taste?
I kind of taste like lemon
Lemon, yeah.
and orange.
And orange, I do get that, yeah.
I taste a little bit of strawberry, wild strawberry. Is this a single origin? That is so complex. It's pretty fruit forward.
It is, yeah, I think so too.
Have these beans had enough time to degas? Did you check the roast date? Wow, quite a bit of body. It's a heavy mouthfeel. Pretty bright.
Yeah.
A nice touch of acidity. Do these come from a micro lot?
I don't know, actually.
It's got a really delicate finish. Pretty balanced overall. I think we did a good job.
I agree. Cheers.
Cheers. Okay, that's it for today.
If you're interested in any of the coffee gear that you saw in this video, check the description below. I've got links for them. So if you enjoyed this, check out the other videos, share it with a friend.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Grace and peace, friends.